Hello everybody, this is Sebo and on this video I'm gonna show you this DV Mark DV Lidl GH250 tube guitar head. This is the new Greg Howe signature model and as you can imagine from its name there's something related to tubes in it. But there are also very interesting new features.
Who's this amp for?
Of course, all Greg Howe's fans out there are gonna be attracted by this new signature model. But this amp is really super versatile and can make happy many guitar players. So if you're looking for an organic and dynamic sounding amp that you can fit in your suitcase, here is a great option for you.
What about the DV Lidl GH250 tube controls?
The DV Lidl GH250 tube features two completely independent channels. On the lower controls line, we can tweak the clean channel and we have gain, bass, mid, high and level controls. Reverb is common for the two channels. Moving on the upper controls row, we can tweak the lead channel and we have gain, bass, mid, high, level and sustainer controls. The sustainer control is a great new feature introduced by DV Mark, letting us to get a huge sustain with incredible harmonics for our solos. Completing the front panel controls, we have the channel switch to manually select the two channels and the power switch. On the rear panel, we have the combined speak-on and jack speaker output, where you can connect any cabinet with a minimal load of 4 ohm. The foot switch connection to switch channels and turn reverb on and off, the effects loop send and return connections, and the preamp out with a dedicated level switch to send your preamp signal directly to a cab simulation device or plug-in and then into your mixing console.
Is this a tube amp?
As you can easily imagine by its name, this new DV Mark head signed by Greg Howe features a tube inside. It's a 6205 micro tube working on both channels, giving to the tone an extra bite and more dynamic.
What about the power amp?
The DV Lidl GH250 tube features a Class D 250 watts power amp based on our MPT Mark proprietary technology. Designing our own power amps lets us create a specific circuit for every amp model to glorify its tone and get the best dynamic.
What about the clean channel tone?
Thanks to the micro tube featured in the preamp section, the clean channel is very organic and dynamic. And also thanks to the super effective EQ, you can dial in any sound you could need.
What about the lead channel tone?
We're gonna start with lower gain settings, then we're gonna move on more rock and heavy tones, and then we're gonna check the great sustainer control efficiency.
What about the DV Lidl GH250 tube weight and dimensions?
The DV Lidl GH250 tube weighs just 2.6 kilograms or 5.73 pounds, and it's 22.5 centimeters wide, 8 centimeters high, and 25 centimeters deep. So this new DV Mark head signed by Greg Howe is a super versatile amp, very organic and dynamic sounding, and also so small and portable despite its huge power. You can use it with all your favorite pedals, as it's been designed to match any signal both in the input stage and the effects loop as well. This head easily fits in your suitcase, but you can also get the optional Mark World carrying bag that opens on both sides, so you don't even need to remove the amp from it to perform on stage. You can match this head with Greg Howe's GH212 signature cabinet or with any DV Mark guitar cabinet to get a great tone and also to experience what it's like bringing around such a light guitar rig. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao!